What would you do if your most beloved toy went missing? Let's find out how Max found his lost teddy bear. One chilly afternoon, a little boy named Max was playing with his favorite teddy bear, Timmy, in the park. Timmy had been with Max since he was a baby, and he never went anywhere without him. But when it was time to go home, Max couldn't find Timmy anywhere. He looked under the swings, by the slide, and even in the sandbox. But Timmy was gone. Max felt his heart sink. Oh no, where could Timmy be? Just as Max was about to give up, a friendly squirrel scurried over. "Are you looking for something?" the squirrel asked. Max explained that he had lost his teddy bear. The squirrel smiled and said, "Follow me." Max followed the squirrel to a cozy spot under a big tree, where Timmy was sitting, safe and sound. It turned out the wind had blown Timmy there while Max wasn't looking. Max hugged Timmy tight, so happy to have him back. He thanked the squirrel and skipped home, holding Timmy close the whole way. Max learned that, even when things go missing, sometimes all it takes is a little help from friends to find what you've lost.